Trying to get down to the level of small children is something childcare professionals do 10, 20, 50 times a day. This half-kneel position gives you a stable base, reducing the temptation to slump that can happen with the full kneel. You can still reach outwards from your body, supported by one arm. Full kneel or half kneel, both are fine, whatever's comfortable for you. Getting up? Just reverse the process. Bring one leg up to the half-kneel position. Push up from the front leg. The back one is mainly for balance. The half-kneel is great if you are up and down a lot for short periods of time. Sitting on the floor is something some people feel comfortable with and others don't. There's fundamentally nothing wrong with it, but shifting your full body weight in such an extreme way can run the risk of strain or injury. This method helps you support your upper body and minimises twisting of your spine. Down on one knee, put your arm out for support while you sit on one buttock. Then straighten up. You can cross your legs if you want. Getting up. Hand out for support. Lean the upper body weight forward and come up onto one knee. Push down through the front leg as you stand. Notice the way the cook moves his feet. He shifts his weight from one foot to the other, a small step at a time, like a little dance routine. Same thing here. There's no twisting of the spine. It's the same dance routine. Feet always leading the way, pointing forwards, about as far apart as the shoulders. Stand up. Try it for yourself. Imagine you're lifting a box like this one.
Lifting on 4.
Here the team move in unison, using a sidestep for stability. And again, there's no twisting.
And down on 4. 1, 2, 3.
The sidestep can be used in lots of situations. This is an ergonomic chair designed for people working in childcare. The idea is an adult-sized chair that still gets down very low for direct interaction with children. Firstly, place your feet well back under the seat, either side of one of the legs. Grab hold of the front of the seat so it doesn't swivel or slide, and lean forward as you sit. This helps keep your weight centred above your feet. Adjust the height of the seat. Lean into the backrest. That's what it's there for, to support your back. Adjust if it's not a good fit. Getting up is just the reverse. Tuck the feet well back, lean forward, hands on knees to support the upper body, and push up using your legs. Okay, So it's not a two-person job, but it's more than a one-handed effort. What are you going to do? Get good and close to the object, with your feet about as far apart as your shoulders. Lower into a semi-squat position, sticking your bottom right out. Test the weight. Can you manage? If yes, look up and come out of the squat. Your back should be straight the whole time. Hold the elbows and the object in close. This brings the centre of gravity nearer to your body. This movement is sometimes called the golfer's lift. Ever seen a golfer move like that? Putting a tee in place or retrieving a ball?
Alright, what are you guys doing here? What are you making?
The aim is to use the weight of one extended leg as a counterbalance for your upper body. Keeps your back straight as you tilt from the hips rather than bending from the waist. If you feel confident, you can do this freestanding, or else hold onto something solid like a chair or a table. Compared to standing directly beside the cot and bending at the waist, this lunge position helps reduce the strain on your lower back. Being slightly side on, with your feet positioned this way, places you closer to the cot and the baby. The leading knee helps balance your upper body weight. For older children who can stand or kneel, encourage them to do this before you lift them in or out. It further reduces the amount you have to bend. Three things to consider when you are team lifting.
Oh, it's quite heavy.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
God, that is heavy.
We're going to lift on 4. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Count in a lift or movement, so you both take the strain at the same time. Try to match yourself with a person of a similar size. It helps spread the load more evenly. The temptation to twist and chances of losing your footing are so much less if you are both going in the same direction and working as a team.
There we go.
There we go.
All right. What else would you like to put out?